what made it walk. When I go come in the jail, go get me a day. Hating on, they hating on. I need chill on that. I'ma go with. Alright, y'all, it's your boy Relax in the building. Hey, time has passed. Time has to come, you know what I'm saying? But I'm making this video. Right now I'm sitting in the parking garage, waiting on my baby mama. You know what I'm saying? The mother of my children. She got a little appointment. I mean, not appointment, she had to go to her job or something. She need a ride over there, so I'm giving her a ride up here. But yeah, I'm finna get back on YouTube. I'm feeling my cut, you know what I'm saying? I cut my own hair, by the way. You know what I'm saying? I do my own shit. My nigga Cutter used to cut my shit, but I couldn't afford his prices no more. You know, the nigga upgraded on me. And I still needed my shit cut, so I was like, you know, I started messing with the blends, you know. I know how to blend too. But yeah, I'm making this video though, cause I'm finna get back on YouTube. I was talking to my brother KP about it. He was like, yeah, bro. Matter of fact, I'm finna go scoop him today. Yeah, I got that champion on. I'm finna go scoop him today, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be chilling. We're gonna be playing Fortnite probably. We're gonna stream a little bit. I am on Twitch. Oh yeah, matter of fact, this gonna be like a catch-up video. So yeah, this your boy, Ronnie. Relax, Relo baby, Relo, whatever y'all wanna call me. And basically some stuff I've been doing. I've been making music still, but not dropping. My last single I've ever dropped, or any kind of content I put out with music, is what's it called? Paperweight. I dropped Paperweight like two or 3 months ago, back in September, October, something like that. And it only got like 50 something views, you know what I'm saying? So that's the latest I've done so far. I've still been working though, you know what I'm saying? Even though I don't put music out, don't mean I'm not making music. Me and my brother KP Effect actually is about to me and my brother KP Effect actually about to drop a mixtape. We working on that. We got about 3-4 songs so far, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's going how that's going. And I got a whole lot more unreleased. I'm sitting on about like 3 mixtapes right now, music. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like I'm about to go stupid. I just had a birthday November 1st. I just turned 23. Jordan year, big, you know what I'm saying, big weight. So I thank you for all the late and early and, you know, all the birthday wishes I got on that. Me and my baby mother not together, you know what I'm saying, but we still, you know, I'm not talking to nobody. I'm focusing on me. If I can't be with her, I'm gonna focus on me. That's how I'm looking at it. I don't know how she looking at it, but you know, I need to work on me. You know, I'm not providing enough, or I'm not doing what I need to do to keep a steady float. You know what I'm saying? So this the situation I'm in right now. But I was like, you know what? I'm finna get back on YouTube. She's still on YouTube. Y'all go support her. You know, it's all love over here, babe. You know what I'm saying? I call her babe. She probably don't like me doing that. You know, well, you know, it's all love over here. But yeah, that's that. I got Twitch. I'm on Twitch now, you know what I'm saying? I'm going stupid on Twitch. You can follow me on Twitch TV at Relax2Real. You know what I'm saying? Relax2Real with a 2. You can follow me out there. I got like 140 some followers. I went from, and I do giveaways. Every so often followers I get and I reach my goal, I do giveaways. I've gave away up to like $60, $70 already. And my next giveaway is at 230 followers. You know what I'm saying? Why they watching me? You see the young nigga working, they wanna watch. But yeah, that's a little bit of me. That's what I've been doing. I still work at Amazon, you know, I'm a driver for Amazon. Still doing that. You know what I'm saying? Still got my own crib, you know, I still see my babies. You know, my baby mama, she got her own crib, you know what I'm saying? She holding it down over there. She recently got into an accident with her vehicle, so she's working in that situation. That's why I'm actually giving her a ride. And so yeah, you know, life, you know, we keep it going, we keep pushing. Got some court things I gotta tend to in the future. I don't want to talk about on camera to make it seem like such and such, but you know, I have to deal with that. But yeah, y'all, life for a whole, I've been holding on. It ain't been great, but you know, I've been holding on. I've been doing what I need to do. You know, I only want more and better. So I'm glad y'all tuning in with me. I'm finna get back on YouTube. I had a video I was gonna drop for y'all. It was like a 2-hour video of just like what I was doing throughout the months. Like before the dreads, after the dreads, you know what I'm saying? Like I got footage of me before my dreads, but I don't know if I'm gonna drop it, y'all. I was upset in that video too. Like a whole lot, and it's old and I still ain't dropped it. I still ain't edited it. So y'all probably never gonna see that. And if y'all do, I'll title it to where y'all know. Well, y'all know from like stuff I'm talking about in the video, but probably not gonna drop that. But this video I'm dropping for sure. I'm gonna get back on YouTube. I told KP, bro, what you think about me get back on YouTube? He said, yeah, bro, green light. So, you know, that's what the fuck I'm finna do. You feel me? But yeah, I just been chilling, y'all. What y'all think about my my jacket, my champion jacket? This is my baby mama favorite color too. Drip the fuck out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep the camera on and see if she I keep trying to invite her. I keep trying to make, you see, I keep trying to make her a part of what I got going. She don't want that. Let me chill. She don't want that. Yeah, y'all. I know they been out there in my truck. Get the money till I can't, nigga. What you say? I don't really get no motherfucks, nigga. What's the take? I'ma get the money till I can't. I'm gonna eat my plate, put my second plate, cause I'm not gonna stop, I'm not gonna quit. Young nigga like me, too legit. What the fuck it is? Diamonds on my wrist with your bitch, she gon' take it. I don't give no fuck. Want the big house neighbors can't even know me. I'm the type to run from the cops, ain't no taking me. Yeah, I told them niggas not to try. I tell these niggas not to try it. I be posted where them shoes be. All jokes aside, you gon' die, this ain't no brewski. I'ma shake and watch their bodies fall like some Lucy. She crazy with the hit from out this world, I call her Lucy. Sipping on this juice got me loose as a goose. I say, what the fuck is he doing? Picking up trash or something? He had a go-kart. He had like a golf cart full of black bags, and then he was holding this little stick thing walking to somebody's car. I know you ain't put no boot on nobody's car. You can put a boot on my shit. But yeah, y'all. Shoot. That's really, I really talk so fast, I got everything out. So I ain't really got nothing else to talk about. But I'm trying to at least reach 8 minutes so I can get my time. Cause I know 8 minutes is the time now, the time stamp to get paid for this. I only got 10 subscribers on my YouTube, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all can follow me on YouTube at RelaxRonnie, I appreciate it. Or my music channel at RelaxBaby, or my other music channel at RelaxRonnie, I appreciate it. Follow me at Instagram on my music page at TFutureYKings with a Z at the end. And then follow my other Instagram page, RelaxBaby806, that's my personal page. Then you can follow my shoe page, TFutureYKicks with a Z at the end. Follow my Snapchat, young.kiki. You can follow my Twitter at 2KRelax or Relax2K. It's one of the two. I think 2KRelax. Don't forget to follow my Twitch at Relax2Real. You know what I'm saying? You can look me up on Google on all music platforms at RelaxRonnie. See what I've been doing. Y'all stay tuned. 2023, I'm dropping my mixtape. No lie. I'm dropping my mixtape 2023. No caps. Bro, I did amazing on my damn cut, man. Let's just take in the time. Let's just take the time to take in how good I did on my cut last night. Like, I did that. Like, I be blending. Like, what should I charge for this cut right here? 25? 25 for this cut right here? Edge up nice and everything. Like, 25 for this? 25 for this cut? Huh? What should I charge, y'all? I'm telling y'all, I did my You feel me? Yeah, I'm sitting in the parking garage waiting on my baby mama, mother of my children. You feel me? Just vibing. You know what I'm saying? Put the camera right here. You know? Oh shit. You know what I'm saying? Put the camera right here real quick. Just cause, you know what I'm saying? Just cause I want to, you know? Like, just cause like I feel like that's just what I mean. Yeah, I messed the camera. I closed the damn thing out. Trying to fix it. Alright. Yeah. Stop playing with that man, understand he got a plan. Stop playing with that man and understand he got a plan. Alright, y'all. So what y'all think? I got drip enough. I'm doing my shit enough. You know what I'm saying? Dreads get long enough. Man, she need to hurry up, man. I've been sitting in this car 30 minutes. I'm getting impatient, man. Look, when I be at work, this is what I be wearing. I pull up when it get dark, cause it get dark at 6 o'clock now. 5:30, really. Yeah, I pull up with the light, nigga. Bitch. Amazon delivery. Coming through. Knock, knock, knock. You got a package. Looking at it, boy. And if a dog pull up on me, I'll get the... But you gotta hit him like this, cause you gonna be running. So you gotta hit him with the You know what I'm saying? So act like this the back of my head. This what the dog see. I'ma just... You know what I'm saying? But oh yeah, there's another thing too, look. I got the beam on my shit, boy. I put the beam on your ass, boy. Quit playing. And he got the flash beam. And you can do the flashlight with the beam. Boy. And I got a 2-piece. Never run out. I do this. You know what I'm saying? We're doing a little preview of what's in Ronnie's car. You feel me? Doing a little preview of what's in Ronnie's car. I got this little fix app, you know what I'm saying? You use this whenever something wrong with your vehicle. You want to find out what's wrong with it. It tells you exactly what's wrong with it. This is a fixed app sponsorship. You know what I'm saying? They're paying me $0. This is all for profit for them. You know what I'm saying? Free promo at that. So y'all make sure y'all check out that fixed app and see what's going on with your vehicle. You can tune in with them at fix.com and make sure y'all go over there and yeah, do your thing. We also got some motherfucking CO2, cause you know I keep that up. Well, YouTube, I don't want to talk like that, you know what I'm saying? And you know we keep the money. You know we keep the money on this. It's green over here, you feel me? Keep the money. We keep the money. We keep the money. Yeah, we keep the money. Alright, I'm just looking around, you know what I'm saying? Hey, baby mom went to a Snoop Dogg concert and who knows did what? A while ago, but look, she done went to a Snoop Dogg concert and she done got her some hundos. She had VIP backstage passes. Got her some hundos. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's a little bit what I'm on. Ooh, pull that gold baby up. And you know I had that on me. Yeah, now we certified to the max. Niggas try to say something to me, I say, nigga, check my chain, nigga. Got that gold on my chain, nigga. That nigga got that chain on, nigga. Got that gold on my chain, nigga. Do your chain hang low, do it wobble to the floor, do it shining like, is it? Alright. Look. Oh, this tells y'all how in love we was. Boy, it was a freak, boy. That's that Scorpio, boy. Boy, get it, boy. Oh, yeah. That's mine. Look how she look. Oh. My baby so sad. This one right here, I was like, maybe she really not feeling me. Maybe I'm too damn freaky. She leaning all the way over there like I done scared her or something. You know what I'm saying? Now look at you, boy. Do I still look good, baby? Do I still look good, baby? Do I still look good, baby? Alright, but look. Bro, what they doing, bro? Got this to hold my change, but it broke. You know what I'm saying? Can't even hold my chain no more. This shit broke and shit. What this is? Legal document. This shit here, man. Lawsuit. You know what I'm saying? That's a little paperwork. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to talk about that. Got some McDonald's sweet and sour in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Sponsored by Sight. This is just what I needed. I didn't even think I had none on. There's some right here. Don't need too much. That was just what I needed though. Yeah, for driving a bitch. We good now though. Yeah, we good now though. Alright. Some lotion. I don't even need no more lotion, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some more on, you feel me? Go ahead and put some more on, even though I don't need it. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and put some more on, even though I don't need it. Bro, my dreads look amazing, man. It's exactly what I wanted. It's exactly what I wanted. And I did it myself. This is exactly what I want. Now I just need, now I'm finna, you see this one right here? I'm finna dye it white. I'm gonna do one white dread. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that with my next chick. I'm gonna go dye my shit. And I ain't even got my shit professionally done yet. I did all this by myself. Like, I can't stress it enough, y'all. I just can't. Like, I did this by myself, solo dolo, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna keep making it happen. I'm finna dye my hair by myself. Like, I need no help. I can do this shit by myself. Damn, son. Alright, y'all. I do need my adapter. I need to find my headphones. I lost my damn headphones. Look, nigga went to Little Caesars and bought him a motherfucking pizza. $14.99. You know what I'm saying? Right there. $14.99. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, we out here eating, nigga. We out here eating, you feel me? Now let's keep it pushing. Oh yeah, I changed the light bulbs on my car. My signal still don't work, even after changing them bitches. All three of them bitches. Where's the third one at? So y'all I ain't capping. All three of them bitches, you feel me? Like no cap, like real life. Matter of fact, I had an extra one. There ain't even 4 on there, but I got 4 right here. You feel me? So if you ever need to change the lights to your 1999 GMC Yukon, these the ones. Alright. Now, I got a quarter. See that? Alright. I got some on my finger. So I got a quarter, right? Bro, look at that. Smoke coming out the chimney. The fuck? Y'all wanna go outside and look so y'all can see where I'm at? Damn. What if I just drop my phone? Can y'all see where I'm at though? Chilling in the parking garage, doing my thing. Got that drip on my Too legit, what the fuck it is? Diamonds on my wrist, with your bitch, she gon' take dick. I don't get no fuck, want the big house, neighbors can't even know me. I'm the type to run from the cops, ain't no taking me. Yeah, I told them niggas not to try. I tell these niggas not to try. I'm really just bored, y'all. Trying to entertain y'all and myself at the end of the day. That's really all I'm doing. But yeah, you know, got a blanket in the back. Oh yeah, but look, I got this quarter, right? Back to what I was talking about. Got this quarter. Try to guess the date of the quarter. Put it in the chat. What year this quarter was made. You see the brain, see the little light. The brain, what the fuck? You know, it still looks healthy. It says it in the front. Wow, my goof ass. Well, yes, y'all are correct. This was made in 1994, a year after my sister was born. So, yeah. My sister is older than this quarter. That's crazy. Now, I also have y'all seen one of these? Yes, I know y'all don't use these no more. Y'all upgraded, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I still use it, so there's that. Sorry about that, y'all. I had to spit. Get that out my system. I actually don't have nothing else to show y'all, so I'm gonna get back to reading my newspaper It was nice chatting with y'all. It was nice catching up with y'all. I've actually exceeded the goal point, which was 8 minutes. I think I am at 20 minutes now. Made double what I was trying to make. So I am going to get back to reading my newspaper. It was fun and nice chatting with y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Be safe out there, you know, because life is really just crazy when you think about it. But yeah, until next time, this is your boy Ronnie, and it's forever gonna be Ronnie. And if you ain't getting to that money, then what is you doing? Have a good day. Goodbye. I'm all about my bag. I'm all about my Fendi. I'm all about my cheddar, my moolah, my guala. I'm all about my